So check it out. When you get the Bondo on it, right, you got to get all level, and you can try to do it by touch, but you're gonna make mistakes. So the best way to do it is use this thing called a guide coat. Okay, and what it is, it's like this black powder. So it's a black powder that you put on top, and it colors all black, right? And so you can get it. There's a 3M version of it. It's really expensive, like $50 for this thing. But the secret is that it's actually just graphite, and it's a special kind of graphite, so it sticks to the stuff. But the same thing that is used for the laser printers. So it's just toner, and 3M puts a little more color into it, so it's a little darker than this. But you don't need it, and it works good. And what it does is you put it on, you rub it on, and then when you go to I made my own block here. I have a bigger one, but I have this bigger one, but it's too big for this area, so I had to make that smaller one. Anyway, when you start sanding, see, it lets you know where the high spots and the low spots are, so you can get it all level. And when it's all one color, so here this is a high spot, this is lower, so your high spot lower, and you sand it all down until it's all one color, and then you know that this area here is completely flat. There's no wavy lines in it, no dents or anything. Because this door here it's okay. Over here it's okay, but here it's like a wave. I don't know why, so I have to put skim coat on this and get this all level. And it's been taking me, well, I started it late today, about 10:30, and right now it's 4:15. So it'll be all day and up until the evening before I'm done. And then once I get the whole door done, it'll be ready.